Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some thrilling news for photography enthusiasts and Fujifilm fans. The long-awaited Fujifilm X-E5 has been the subject of numerous leaks, and it looks like this compact mirrorless camera will bring some significant upgrades. If you've been following the X-E series, you already know how well Fujifilm blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. The X-E5 is expected to continue this tradition, and if the leaks are accurate, this could be one of Fujifilm's most impressive compact cameras to date. Fujifilm X-E5. What we know so far. Although Fujifilm has yet to make an official announcement, leaks suggest that the X-E5 will be a natural evolution of the series. The most exciting rumor is that it will feature the X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, the same advanced sensor found in the X-T5 and X-H2. This sensor is known for its incredible dynamic range, enhanced low-light performance, and remarkable image clarity. If true, this would be a significant leap forward for the X-E series, making it a formidable competitor in the compact mirrorless market. Next-gen image processing and autofocus. The X-E5 is also rumored to incorporate the X-Processor 5, Fujifilm's latest and most powerful image processor. This upgrade means faster image processing speeds, enhanced autofocus tracking for both photography and video, new film simulations inspired by Fujifilm's legendary color science. For photographers who love Fujifilm's unique film emulations, the X-E5 is expected to deliver even more refined color profiles that emulate classic film stocks, making it a favorite among creative shooters. Classic rangefinder design with modern enhancements. One of the X-E series' biggest appeals has always been its compact, lightweight design, which blends a retro look with modern usability. The X-E5 is rumored to retain this stylish aesthetic while making some notable refinements. One of the most talked about changes is the potential inclusion of a fully articulating LCD touchscreen. This would be a game changer for vloggers, content creators, and photographers who need flexible viewing angles. Whether you're capturing high-angle shots, low perspectives, or recording a vlog, the ability to rotate the screen freely will add greater usability and creative control. Improved build quality and weather sealing. Another crucial improvement could be better weather resistance. While the X-E4 was praised for its portability, many users found it lacking in durability, especially in outdoor conditions. The X-E5 is expected to offer improved dust and water resistance, making it a more reliable companion for travel and adventure photography. Video capabilities. 6K recording and enhanced stabilization. Fujifilm is pushing the envelope when it comes to video performance, and the X-E5 is rumored to bring 6K recording. This is a huge step up from the 4K capabilities of its predecessor, allowing for higher resolution footage with more flexibility in post-production. Some of the expected video-related improvements include 6K at up to 30 frames per second for ultra-high-definition recording, improved electronic image stabilization to reduce motion blur, enhanced rolling shutter performance to minimize the jello effect. For videographers, this could mean a smoother, more cinematic recording experience, making the X-E5 an attractive option for hybrid shooters. Better audio and connectivity options. Audio has always been a critical factor for content creators, and one of the biggest drawbacks of the X-E4 was the lack of a headphone jack. Rumors suggest that Fujifilm may finally address this issue with the X-E5, either by adding a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack or improving audio monitoring via USB-C. In addition, faster wireless connectivity is expected, with upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. This means easier file transfers, remote shooting capabilities, and improved integration with smartphones and tablets, allowing for a more seamless workflow. Battery life and usability improvements. Battery life is always a key concern, and while the X-E4 had decent battery performance, Fujifilm is rumored to be optimizing the X-E5 for longer shooting sessions. Potential improvements include more efficient power management for extended battery life, USB-C fast charging for on-the-go power, larger battery capacity, similar to higher-end Fujifilm models. If these enhancements are true, the X-E5 could offer a much better user experience for photography and video applications. Who should consider the Fujifilm X-E5? With all these rumored improvements, the X-E5 seems to be shaping up as a perfect camera for street photographers who love Fujifilm's signature retro design and portability. Vloggers and content creators looking for a lightweight, high-quality camera with a fully articulating screen. Hybrid shooters who need excellent photo and video capabilities in a compact body. Travel photographers who require a durable, weather-resistant, and lightweight camera. Final thoughts. A game-changer for compact mirrorless cameras? If the leaks are accurate, the Fujifilm X-E5 could be one of the most exciting compact mirrorless cameras of the year. With its powerful new sensor, advanced image processor, fully rotatable screen, improved video capabilities, and better weather sealing, it has the potential to be a huge hit among photographers and videographers alike. While we're still waiting for official confirmation from Fujifilm, these leaks paint a promising picture of what could be a breakthrough model in the X-E lineup. Keep an eye out for updates, and as always, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future news on the Fujifilm X-E5 and other exciting camera releases. Let me know in the comments what you think about these leaks. Are you excited about the X-E5, or are there features you're hoping Fujifilm will add? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video.